Hope everybody's well today. We've been out in the woods again. Well, I've been out in the woods again. Got about 4 miles in. And as always, we have some lunch to prepare. Now today we have a special treat. But it took me a long time to actually find one. A lot of digging around, a lot of internet searches. You know, they're very difficult to find, but I finally tracked one down and we're going to get this thing started. The cooking technique that I've chosen to use today is it doesn't take a lot of heat to prepare this meal. And that's what makes these so difficult to find, is because of the ease of preparation and the satisfaction that it yields when you eat it. I haven't personally had one myself, but I've seen the reviews and I'm pretty excited about trying this. So let's go ahead and get this started. So the preparation of the meal is super easy. In fact, the method I chose was to simply put it in my jacket pocket, and the heat that my body generated from the duration of my hike should be enough to have cooked this properly. It's very heat sensitive. It doesn't take much to cook it. So now it's time for the big unveil. What do we have today for lunch? Yes, these are very difficult to find, I know. I've looked everywhere and I finally found one, and look, I'm so excited my hands are trembling. So let's go ahead and open this up before it cools down too much. Okay. Look at this. We have to be really careful. I mean, these are so difficult to find. I would hate to ruin this. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Even got a bit of a caramel pull there. And here we are, the finished product. It appears to be the right doneness. The temperature we're looking for should be a nice kind of caramel light brown on the inside. So let's go ahead and take a look at this and see if we've cooked it properly. Look at that. That is bang on. That is exactly the temperature you're looking for in one of these. It looks like we nailed the cook. Let's go ahead and give this a try. Let me cut off a little slice here from the end. Oh yeah, it's cooked properly end to end. Look at that. Alright, let's go ahead and give this a try. I'm so excited. You have no idea what I went through to get this. Let's go ahead and try this out. Oh, man, I can't wait for this. I hope this was worth the money. Man, that's good eating. The inside is tender, and in the fact that the people that make this product had the foresight to add this textural crunch to the outside. I mean, it's pure perfection. Because if you didn't add that texture to the outside, it would just be texturally one note. You know, I mean, the creaminess and the smoothness of the interior portion of the meal. I mean, it is delicious. And it has a wonderful mouthfeel. But, you know, sometimes you just need that crunch. And, you know, the peanuts that they put on the outside, I mean, that just brings the whole thing home. Let's try another slice. I'm trying not to eat it too fast. I'm trying to savor and enjoy it. Oh, man. If you all ever have a chance to get one of these, pardon me, sorry, talking with my mouth full. If you ever have a chance to get one of these, pay whatever price. It is absolutely worth it. You know, if I have another opportunity to do this, I might cook it just a hair longer next time. I think that you could go up just a little bit on the internal temperature. But, you know, it just has this fantastic kinds of dairy-based, creamy, chewy, nougaty, if you will, interior. It's just fabulous. It's fabulous. I can die a happy and satisfied man now. I would include a link in the bottom to where you can buy these, but actually I got the last one, and they said that they're really hard to get and they probably wouldn't get any more for a while, so you know, I'm not going to bother. You'll have to do your own research. Well, I'm going to go ahead and I've eaten more than half. So, I'm going to go ahead and take some home for the family to enjoy. I mean, this is a once in a lifetime experience. I mean, what kind of guy would I be not to share? So, anyway, enjoy the rest of your day. I'm telling you, you got to get one of these. Wandering Mike, thumbs up.